Forex Quadcode, the ultimate guide to understanding Forex Quadcode. Introduction. What is Forex Quadcode? Why is it important in the world of Forex trading? History of Forex Quadcode. Origins of Forex Quadcode. Evolution of Forex Quadcode over the years. Benefits of Forex Quadcode. Improved trading efficiency. Enhanced risk management. Increased profitability. How Forex Quadcode works. Understanding the algorithm behind Forex Quadcode. How it analyzes market trends and makes predictions. Implementing Forex Quadcode in your trading strategy. Choosing the right Forex Quadcode software. Integrating it into your trading platform. Setting up parameters for optimized performance. Common misconceptions about Forex Quadcode. Myth vs. reality. Debunking the myths surrounding Forex Quadcode. Case studies. Successful implementation of Forex Quadcode. Real-life examples of traders who have benefited from using Forex Quadcode. How it has transformed their trading experience. Challenges of using Forex Quadcode. Potential risks and drawbacks to be aware of. How to overcome challenges and maximize benefits. Future trends in Forex Quadcode technology. Innovations and advancements on the horizon. What to expect in the future of Forex Quadcode. Tips for choosing the best Forex Quadcode software. Key factors to consider when selecting a Forex Quadcode program. Reviews and recommendations from industry experts. Conclusion. In conclusion, Forex Quadcode is a powerful tool that can help traders optimize their Forex trading strategies and make more informed decisions. By understanding how it works, implementing it effectively, and staying informed about industry trends, traders can leverage the benefits of Forex Quadcode to achieve success in the competitive world of Forex trading. FAQs about Forex Quadcode. Is Forex Quadcode suitable for beginner traders? Can Forex Quadcode replace human intuition in trading? Are there any regulatory restrictions on using Forex Quadcode? How often should I update my Forex Quadcode software? What is the average cost of a quality Forex Quadcode program?